Welcome to the Law Office of Brian F. Fagan podcast, where we empower Texas families through knowledge and compassion. If you live in Humble, Texas, and you're preparing for a divorce, you need to know exactly where to file your paperwork and what specific prerequisites you must meet before you even start the process. Because Humble is located within Harris County, the vast majority of residents will file their cases right here through the Harris County Family Court System. Getting this exact location right is absolutely critical. If you file in the wrong county or make a misstep in these early procedures, the court can immediately dismiss your case. A smooth divorce doesn't start in front of a judge. It starts with mastering the specific jurisdictional rules of Harris County before you ever draft a single document. This map shows the geographic relationship. The city of Humble sits entirely within Harris County. Therefore, Harris County District Courts handle your family law matters, including divorce, child custody, and child support. But simply having an address here isn't enough. Texas law outlines strict statutory residency requirements that dictate exactly when you become legally eligible to file. First is state residency. You or your spouse must have lived in Texas for at least 6 months before filing. Second is local. One of you must have lived in Harris County for at least 90 days before filing. Humble residents need to be careful here. Because the city sits near the county line, it's easy to accidentally try filing in neighboring Montgomery County if you misunderstand where your exact residential address falls. Verifying these two exact timeframes, 6 months in Texas, 90 days in Harris County, is an absolute non-negotiable prerequisite. Do this before you spend time or money drafting any legal paperwork. Once your residency is locked in, the next step is drafting the original petition for divorce. This is the foundational document you file with the district clerk to officially open your case. Filing this petition formally identifies you and your spouse to the court, and it legally requests specific relief from the judge regarding your assets, debts, and children. Keep in mind, filing the petition only begins the legal process. It does not finalize your divorce. You still have to complete a mandatory next step known as service of process. The court requires that your spouse be formally notified about the lawsuit you just filed. Traditionally, this involves hiring a court-appointed process server or a county constable to physically deliver the petition to your spouse. If your case is amicable, there is a simpler alternative. Your spouse can voluntarily sign a waiver of service in front of a notary, formally acknowledging the petition without physical delivery. Whether you serve them formally or use a waiver, until you execute proper, legally recognized notice to the opposing spouse, the court will completely freeze your case from moving forward. If you're researching where Humble, Texas residents file for divorce and want to start the process correctly, visit brianfagan.com or schedule a confidential consultation with our team. Once filed, you enter a mandatory 60-day waiting period before any divorce is finalized. This applies universally. During this time, courts establish temporary orders for child custody and property, and mediation takes place to resolve disputed issues before trial. The most common mistakes people make include submitting incomplete paperwork, dodging legal guidance, and missing critical court deadlines. Understanding and respecting this 60-day procedural timeline prevents panic and eliminates unnecessary delays in the Harris County courts. To successfully initiate your divorce, remember the 3 pillars. Confirm Harris County has jurisdiction over your case, meet the 90-day county and 6-month state residency rules, and correctly file and serve your original petition. Take control of your situation, subscribe to our podcast, and share this episode with anyone you know who might be navigating a similar family transition. Thank you for listening to the Law Office of Brian Fagan podcast, where families find freedom and peace of mind through education and expert legal care. For more information or to schedule your free consultation, visit our website or call 281-810-9760 today.